Welcome to How to Make a Peanut Butter and Jelly Sandwich by Brianna Cross. Here are the ingredients and supplies that you will need. Peanut butter, jelly, 2 slices of bread, a knife, a spoon, a plate or a cutting board. Step 1. Wash your hands thoroughly. Step 2. Set up your ingredients and supplies. Make sure you have your 2 slices of bread, your peanut butter, your jelly, your knife, your spoon, and a cutting board or plate. Step 3. Use the knife to spread peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Step 4. Spread jelly on your other slice of bread with a spoon. Step 5. Place the halves of your sandwich together, slice in half if desired, and enjoy.